Hello friends, today I will show you a thing to decorate your house. So for that you need a rope like this. Make sure it is not very big, like this, and this is called emsil. You can see in this, you can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart. You can see in this two thing is there. We have to mix it and it will act as a glue. So we will open this. Open it. You can see two different types of substance are here. We will take more. So now we will start mixing it. Mix it properly. So friends, after mixing it, it will look like this. Like this. Now we will take this rope and then we will tie it like this. One knot here and one knot here. You can see a loop has been occurred. Now we will cut this part like this. Now we will take this and we will make a circle like a football. So friends, you have to make this like this balls. Now we will wait for at least 1 hour, and after 1 hour this balls will get dried and it will become solid. So friends, to paint this balls, I am using this spray paint. So friends, we will spray this. Spray it properly. Now friends, you can see this rope. We will tie this part. While tying it, make sure you keep a loop like this. like this. Tie here also. See here, keep a loop. Now, we will also tie a loop at the end of this rope. Otherwise, make a loop like this. And same way, we will not make a loop here because space is not there. And now we'll take this. See this. You can buy it from your nearby shops. We will take this and put it here. Take another, put it here. Same way here. And we will put it like this. And here. Friends, it should look like this. See, isn't it beautiful? Now, you can put it in your house, hang it anywhere. Friends, as I have hanged it here, you can see it. It's looking beautiful. So friends, you can decorate your house with this. So, if you like this video, So friends, if you like this video, subscribe, and if you have any query about this video, then please tell me in comment. Thank you. So friends, we will paint it like this. Like this. I have also painted the rope